Discover the charm of East Texas living in this spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, located on 1.4 acres in ARP. With over 2,800 square feet of thoughtfully designed space, this home offers both functionality and comfort. The open floor plan features a cozy den with a fireplace, perfect for relaxing evenings. The kitchen is equipped with double ovens, a separate cooktop, a breakfast bar, and a walk-in pantry. 2 guest bedrooms share a convenient Jack and Jill bath, while the split primary suite provides a private retreat with an ensuite bath. The formal dining room is ideal for hosting, and the large bonus space adds versatility for any lifestyle. A spacious laundry room with a hobby area and abundant storage ensures everything has its place. Outside, enjoy the peaceful setting from your expansive yard, with a 2-car carport completing this exceptional property. Come see. Come buy.